So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to search files on Drive. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Drive app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the home page or screen of your Drive, and to search a file in Drive you should have to tap on search in Drive, which is available on the top bottom of your screen. So tap on it, then search, and again tap on search in Drive. Then you will see your keyboard and type here your file name like this. Now see, I have searched here Messenger, and here are my files available here. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.